Hello everybody, on location in the bathroom this evening. I wanted to show off another one of my gifts. Perhaps I was a bit naughty in 2022 because I received a lump of coal. Let's take a look at the box. Pause to read if you want. That side, that side, that side, and this side with the specs and ingredients and whatnot. Feel free to pause if needed. Here's the actual lump of coal. Try it out. Very nice lather. There's a nice pleasant smell. I did notice it works great for removing gasoline smell. So all around, pretty darn good soap for being a kind of a joke. But once again, this has been my big lump of coal. Thank you for watching.